If I had to explain my life, I would say it is bad crazy. Ba-dum, ba-dum. We have spent a winter in Washington, and we were definitely snowed in, but this is the first time I'm driving the RV through a snowy wonderland. I'm pretty sure I'll be fine as long as there's no snow on the road. And so far so good. Hi guys, thanks for tuning in, Coastside Family Adventures. Believe it or not, we are in the snow. Okay, so if you have watched the last video, guys, you know we got kicked out of Paradise, which means the Monte Vista RV park in Mesa, Arizona. It was absolutely amazing there, although it was raining, but just an amazing RV park. But it is a 55 and over RV park, which it didn't say on our membership for the 1,000 Trails, because when we bought the membership it wasn't a 55 and older park. So we went there not knowing that they had changed it, and they let us stay for 3 days. Then we got kicked out, and it took us a bit to figure out where to go next, which we ended up booking another park in Arizona, and on the way there we hit snow. So I am yet in shock again. I decided to pull in here, and I'm really hoping, I need to go backwards, I'm really hoping I don't get stuck. Oh my gosh, that would be horrific. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but somehow I have to do it, I guess. Okay. Look at Daniel. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at you. Never in a million years did we think we would be playing in the snow, huh? Oh well. Look at all these kids here playing in the snow. Isn't this amazing? Look, they built a snowman, Daniel. No, my fingers are already frozen. Holy moly, look at that big snowman over there. Wow. Okay, well, I don't know what's next, guys. I'm hoping we can get out of this parking lot and make it safely to the next RV park. This is definitely pretty crazy. But thank you so much for tuning in, Coastside Family Adventures. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like so you stay on top of this crazy adventure that we are on. Are you throwing snowballs at me? Hey! Ah! Woohoo! We made it through the storm. I think there's sunshine ahead. I see a little bit of blue sky.